Hi, I'm your friends. I'll show you today how to do the twinkling stars animation in VideoPad. So I downloaded royalty-free image of the sky, royalty-free PNG image of the star, and I have my green screen image. Let's drag and drop this green image to the timeline. I will zoom out a little bit, and I want to increase the duration of this first clip I will do. For now it's half second. I will do it, for example, 4 seconds. It's okay. Even maybe 5 seconds. Yeah. Now I will do the first clip. It will be 3 stars twinkling. Why I'm doing that? Because it will be difficult for VideoPad to combine a lot of images with applied video effects at once, and in order not to have an issues, I will do the video with 3 twinkling stars and then I will use it already. Okay, just to decrease the quantity of the images and clips, I will use the video effects on them at the same time. Okay, so I'm doing both images to have the same duration, and now let's work with this star. So I'll click on the image which is on the top, and let's do right click and effects. Firstly, I will add exposure video effect, increase little bit exposure, something like that. Okay, and after that I will add scale effect. So let's move the cursor to the very beginning and do our star very small, almost invisible. At the very beginning, even smaller, like this, and let's add our first keyframe. Then let's go to the middle of our video and do the star much bigger, like that will be nice. Add one more keyframe and go to the end of the time period and let us decrease the size of the star. Okay, and add keyframe. So let's see how it works. VideoPad has to think a little bit about, and let's do it. So we have one star which is twinkling. Now I will copy the video with the star and paste it here, and we'll do it one more time, or even 4 times. Let it be 4 stars. Okay, now the second video I will drag and drop it over the first one, but with some moving a little bit to the right position. Let's remove 2 other videos a little bit to the right. We'll work with them later. And now I want to change the position of the star. So I did right click on it and adding position effect, and let's move it somewhere here. For example, the second star will be here, even a little bit more. So if we'll leave it like this, they will do it at the same time, but I want they to twinkle differently. So what I will do, let's zoom in a little bit. I will cut the top image and I will put this part in front. Okay, now let us see how it works. And the same I will do with the second and with the third and the fourth star. You have to look carefully to close all gaps on the timeline. Let's check all the videos to start and end at the same time and to have no gaps. So now let's see how it works. I think it's good, and let us save this video export video. For example, stars will be the name. It will be 15 megabytes. I think it's okay. MP4, and remember the folder where you're going to save your video. Okay, create. Okay, now when it's done, just go to Explorer, videos, and be sure that you have new video. Stars, I have it here. So I'm going back to VideoPad and deleting my star image. All those videos will be gone, and deleting green screen image. Okay, and I'm dragging my sky video on the timeline. I'm just adding the file from the folder, video folder stars. Okay, and I will put it over my image with my sky, and let's do the duration of the sky image the same like our video, and let's do right click on our video and add green screen effect. Okay, so we have our stars. Video will be like this. Let us do them a little bit smaller. So I'm adding a new effect, scale. Will be good. Video. Maybe let's do them a little bit smaller. Okay. Like that. And what I will do, I will copy this video and paste it a few times. And now I will move them. And the only thing I have to do, I have to add position effect to each of them. It's like this group to be here, for example. This group to be here. This group, and change position like here. Okay, now let's see how it works. I think it's good, but actually you can add more videos with those 3 stars, and some of them you can flip, some of them you can stretch, like to change them not to be the same, and change their size, and that's it. That's it. Thank you. Bye.